Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX copper today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. You can see this red color long candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere around 430, which was below the previous week on Saturday and Friday's price closing. And also, as you know, we were following the two major resistance zone 432 and 436. We expected that copper has got the possibilities for staying in downtrend, having 436 as the major resistance zone. Now let us see what happened after the price opening. After the price opening, initially it was a drop. Probably it may be a spike down price opening, which means that you would have seen the price somewhere around the LTP after the market opened somewhere around 429. So it clearly indicates, the price opening clearly indicates that the market has got the potential to stay in downtrend. So what happened was, as we all know, we had explained clearly yesterday, this 428 was acting as an intermediate support zone for the last week. If you go back and see the price action that happened last week, we had identified this as this was acting as an intermediate zone, so it did its job yesterday also. So once the price tested this zone, it tried to consolidate here and gave a bounce back, but we can say it was a very low volatile market yesterday, only normally a 3-point price movement, and the price closed near the opening around 430, which still signals that the market has got the potential to stay in downtrend. But we had identified this fact that 428, the market was taking a very good support around 428, but as a trend follower, this is just an indication, just we should be aware of that. And this is the major zone. So though the price was taking support around 428, this 426 is the major support zone. I had advised you to go back to the histories of chart and look for the importance of 426 and 422. So in the previous year, if you go back and see, so many times the market has consolidated and kept this 426 as the reference zone in many years, whenever the price of copper was trading around above 400. So this is the price action we had. So what we can do today? Today the expected price opening is going to be somewhere near 430 and 431. So it is also below the key resistance zone. If the price, for example, let us assume if the price yesterday broke this, if the price break this 432, and if there was a closing above 432, then we would have changed our decision to be in the more alert zone. But the price didn't do that. The price stayed below 432 and a closing below 432, and the price staying below the average which we are following still indicates that the market has got the potential to stay in downtrend. So this is going to be a very close zone for copper traders, because we can see that the average is slowly dropping down and trying to converge around 432. It is likely to maintain this 432 as a major zone, but still there is no confirmation. But when we see the pattern of the average dropping, we can predict that the average can drop and meet at 432 to make this 432 as a major swing and potential zone. But all depends upon how the market is going to react during the trading session. So be careful with this zone. And today also we are going to follow the same strategy which we followed earlier till 436. It is, we expect that the copper has got the potential to stay in downtrend. We don't, as a trend follower, we don't go against the trend. If you suspect the trend, if you think that since the copper has dropped a lot, it may move, that is just depends upon our own hopes, nothing but in the not valid based upon the price action what we had. So just if you think that the copper has dropped a lot and it can move up, just wait for the market to at least to provide a closing above 432. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our video. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.